Best Travel Hair Dryer 2018. Number 1. VAV 1000 watts Travel Hair Dryer Professional Ceramic Mini Hair Dryers for Children Cool Shot Button Blow Dryer Blue. 1000 watts. Long life DC motor, lightweight and convenient hair styler with an ergonomic handle. Mini and lightweight hair dryer. Your perfect choice for your travel. 2 wind speed, high off low, and cool shot for setting. 1.8 M cord with hanging loop, concentrator included. 1 year replacement 2-year warranty. Number 2. JINRI Travel Hair Dryer 1875 watt dual voltage blow dryer DC motor foldable handle lightweight negative ionic folding hair dryer. 1.1875 W DC motor hair dryer can provide powerful airflow to fast dry your hair, save your time. 2.2 heat/speed settings for 125V, 1 heat/speed setting for 250V, better for styling.Cool shot button releases cool air for setting the style. 3. Drver 3. Ion Whisper Quiet Light Ionic, ceramic hair dryer, 1875 watts. Whisper Quiet Light Ionic, ceramic hair dryer, 1875 watts, gives you the best of all worlds in one tool, lightweight, quiet, powerful hair drying performance. Ultra light, 16 ounces, has 1875 watts of heating power, and the Tourmaline Ionic technology produces anti-frizz styling for shiny, smooth hair. Has 4 temperature settings in a 2-speed dryer setting. Features a cool shot button and a removable lint filter. Number 4. Conair Compact 1875 watt folding handle hair dryer, black. The Conair Compact 1875 watt hair dryer with folding handle is perfect for storage in small spaces as well as travel due to dual voltage. Portable and compact with folding handle. Lightweight design, item weighs only 1 pound. 2 heat/speed settings for all hair types. Dual voltage, great for travel. Number 5. Conair 1600 watt compact hair dryer with folding handle, dual voltage, blue, packaging may vary. The Conair 1600 watt compact hair dryer with folding handle is perfect for storage in small spaces as well as travel due to dual voltage. Portable and compact with folding handle. Number 6. Revlon 1875W compact travel hair dryer. Lightweight and compact blow dryer for travel. 2 heat/speed settings. Cold shot button. Removable end cap and hanging ring for easy storage. Protective anti-slip bumpers for better grip. Number 7. BaBylissPRO Tourmaline Titanium Travel Dryer. BaBylissPRO 1000W Tourmaline Titanium Dual Voltage Travel Dryer is ultra light. Compact and powerful, great for on-go styling when traveling. Equipped for worldwide usage with a turn of a button, go from 110V to 250V. A folding handle. 2 heat/speed settings, removable rear filter and stand for easy cleaning, soft touch housing and concentrator nozzle makes it compact and convenient for home or anywhere you travel for professional results. Number 8. Conair MiniPRO Folding Handle Tourmaline Ceramic Styler/Hair Dryer, red. Powerful 1200 watts. Tourmaline ceramic technology natural ion output helps fight frizz and bring out natural shine. 2 heat/speed setting. Dual voltage, great for travel. No slip grip. Number 9. Conair 1875 watt compact hair dryer with folding handle, dual voltage, gray. The Conair 1875 watt compact hair dryer with folding handle is perfect for storage in small spaces as well as travel due to dual voltage. Lightweight and portable. 2 heat/speed settings for all hair types. Cool shot lock style in place. Dual voltage, great for travel. Number 10. Compact design with folding handle, great for travel or your gym bag. Ionic technology and 3x ceramic coating to reduce frizz and damage. 2 heat